in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. A simple upgrade can make a significant impact on your home. Ever thought about how much you could save on water and energy bills with a modern, advanced bathtub? Trust us, it's more than you think. This isn't just about having a fancy new tub to soak in. It's about enhancing energy efficiency. By investing in a bathtub that boasts better insulation and water-saving technology, you're not just upgrading your home. You're investing in long-term savings on your utility costs. Our team of qualified professionals is here to guide you through every step of the process. From installation to repair services, we've got you covered. Don't procrastinate on saving. Reach out to us today at 844-410-1562 or schedule your bathtub upgrade or repair service at chathomepros.com. Make your home in Philadelphia more energy efficient and comfortable. Oh, and do us a favor. Share or like this video to spread the word. There's someone out there who could use our professional assistance.